Is your Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob not working? For 2021-2024 models, the most common fix is replacing the battery. These fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. First, gently pry open the fob using a plastic pry tool or guitar pick to avoid damage. Insert the tool into the seam and twist gently. Remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side orientation. Install the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, matching the fob's markings. Snap the fob back together firmly. Test the buttons. They should work within 10 to 20 feet of your vehicle. If the new battery doesn't solve the problem, other issues may be at play. First, try reprogramming the fob by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, check for moisture or corrosion inside the fob. Clean gently with isopropyl alcohol if needed. Remember that Jeep issued a recall, NHTSA campaign number 23V-420 for 2021-2023 models related to a software fault. If battery replacement and reprogramming fail, schedule a service appointment with your local Jeep dealer, as it might require software updates or module replacement. Some 2025 models have enhanced diagnostics in the Jeep Wave app to test fob functionality.